Even 500 years ago, artist and inventor Leonardo da Vinci dreamed of flight and made drawings of a flying machine. But it wasn't until 1903 that two brothers from Dayton, Ohio, Wilbur and Orville Wright, built a powered airplane, overcame gravity, and taught the world to fly. And that's what we're gonna do today. We are gonna fly. Ladies and gentlemen, come on, let's celebrate 100 years of Hartzell Propeller.
Are you kidding me? I'm at the Field of Dreams, Hartzell Field, Piqua, Ohio. This is the only place I want to be. I bet my life on that propeller, and they haven't let me down in 30 years. I mean, these people are wonderful human beings.
I've spent my whole life flying behind a Hartzell propeller and relying on that machine and that propeller for my life. And now, 25 years later, still flying, and to be able to share that with the people that create that, it's probably fun for them, but it's an honor for me.
You know, you get 3,000 people that love airplanes, love what they do, building propellers. It really brings me back to my roots. So we had a special night here, beautiful sky, great crowd, music in the background. So this is what aviation's all about right here.
Just the family orientation, the closeness. It just shows you what a great company a Hartzell Propeller is. Always doing for family, and it's just a special event, especially for the kids and all that. They love coming out and seeing, and there's always a great meal and all that, so it's very enjoyable.
It's a very good family event. Got face painting. The kids absolutely love it, and again, everybody's so friendly and so nice, so it makes it very special.
I really like watching the pilots do what they love because that's what I want to do with my life, and I take a lot of inspiration from them and their talent.
Well, Hartzell's been wonderful in this area for a long time, and we really appreciate it.
Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause, if you will, for the E-Team Skydivers.
The Golian team considers this our home away from home. So to be here tonight with all of you people celebrating something so special as the 100th anniversary, an emotional night for me.
Let's put your hands together for Redline!
My dear friends, my family of Hartzell Propeller, baby! I am so honored to be a part of this show. Love you guys! I love being in your family!
We just wanted to say that 100 years ago, a very courageous young man named Robert Hartzell set off into the wild blue yonder and founded a company to make aircraft propellers in an industry that barely existed, to serve a flying marketplace of people and pilots that he could probably scarcely imagine would ever come to be. Talent and skill of the people he hired ultimately would make his company successful. And every product since the day he founded the company carries his name on it. And the honor that we say we reflect in our product only comes from one source. It comes from the 2,600 friends, family, and employees of Hartzell Propeller who now are responsible for making the vision of this great company. And we want to thank you for your stewardship, because if you didn't do your job so well and with such honor, we wouldn't be celebrating tonight. So to the employees of Hartzell Propeller and your families, here's to you.